It's raining, it's pouring. This old man is known for snoring. Look at this, my entire property has been flooded out by intense rains. This is not unusual for this year, so I figured why not take advantage of it and do an age-old question I've always wondered. Is it going to be GMC or is it going to be Ford? Isn't it amazing that on larger tires, the Traxxas Bronco 4 dent side is larger than the jacked up OVERKill GMC TOPKiCK? Insane. Pure power today, guys. Let's go ahead and go mudding, and shout out to Zoe Edwards for sending these hard to find Proline TOPKiCK decals. They look awesome, and I also bought some mirrors and slapped them on there to complete the look. Let's rip. Ford will be number one. Why? I don't know, because I drive one. I love all trucks equally though. Loping along. Big 2.2 size tires here. Now, people say it's always too sleepy around here. Let's throttle down and give it some power. It's turned it up since I started filming. Yeah. So this is a ready-to-run model, basically, except I got some aftermarket tires on there, an aftermarket light from RC Gears, as well as the rack on top. Come on, buddy! Work it back and forth. No vent holes in the Bronco, but I find the Bronco to operate so well even without a vent hole in the body. Look at that. Pure power all the way through. I'm gonna leave a link to this truck in the video description box down below. Ooh-wee, it's wet outside. Let's rip it. Going deep. Wet out here. Those are Vanquish portal axles on here. Absolutely phenomenal. Tons of torque with the Axe 550 3300 kV system in here. eats through. No sound in Overkill here. Why did I do that? I don't know. I was more focused on competition. No, dang. Oh, I was hoping for a good roll there. Oh, that diesel stack will have to be cleaned out. Yeah, isn't this what it's all about? Just getting outside to enjoy some time. It doesn't matter what truck you run, truly. All trucks are amazing. Whoa, look at this. I almost sunk all the way past my boot. Now that is some deep mud. There we go. Keep that nose up, keeps it chewing. Like a doggy paddle. Yeah. Look at this. I'm literally carrying a beach and a blanket of weeds. Well, there you have it. It's time for me to get the heck out of here. Go drink something warm. Let me know in the comments section. GMC or Ford? We'll see you next time, guys. Bye. Woo, it's cold out here today.